Hi, nurses and friends. Today, let's talk about the different work setups. So, a lot of you are asking, is it really work from home? Do I need to go to the site? So, ito yung mga work setups, especially if you are applying for a call center for a USRN role. So, number one is on-site, or sometimes they call it RTO or return to office. Ito, yung may mga companies ako nakikita na yung hiring nila talaga is on-site. So, ibig sabihin, you need to be in the office. For our company, meron kaming mga on-site training. So, ibig sabihin nun, once you completed the training or during the duration of the training, you need to be on-site. It depends kung saan yung site during the training. For PHRN, yung site ng training nila is in Makati. Same thing with our on-site MTM account for USRN. The training will be in Makati. And then next work setup is hybrid. This is a combination of work from home and on-site. So for hybrid setup, ito yung common for our PHRN role and USRN MTM account, wherein the training will be on-site in our Makati site, or sometimes it depends kung pwede sa mga Manila sites yung training. And then, after the training, then you will be on a hybrid setup. So, ibig sabihin, meron pa ring requirement. There are days that you will be in the office. There will be days na naka like me ka lang, naka-work from home setup ka. And then the last setup is work from home. Ayan, automatic yan. Just like me, our tagging is temporary work from home. So if in case needed, only for a certain situation, I don't know kung ano yung mga ganon na i-require sa inyo if in case you will be hired, kung kailan kayo magpupunta ng office. But there are a lot of roles na temporary work from home setup or hybrid wherein nasa bahay ka lang, and then if it is needed, if it is required, you should be amenable to go to the office. All right, yun lang. I hope you learned something today, nurses. Bye!